Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a massive fireball hurtling toward Earth, a gigantic asteroid speeding faster than a bullet on a collision course with our planet. Would we survive, or would it be the end of the world? Let's find out. Not all asteroids are the same. Some are tiny, burning up in the atmosphere before even touching the ground. But others? They could wipe out an entire city or even the entire planet. Let's break them down by size. Small asteroids under 50 meters usually explode in the sky, but even these can cause damage, like the Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013, which shattered windows across an entire city. Medium-sized asteroids, around 100 to 500 meters, can trigger massive tsunamis or destroy entire regions. If one hit the ocean, waves could reach 100 meters high, crashing into coastlines. Large asteroids, over 1 kilometer wide? Now we're talking global catastrophe. If one hit Earth, the explosion could be equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs going off at once. And then there are the mega asteroids, over 10 kilometers wide, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. These don't just cause destruction, they change the planet forever. So let's say a 1 kilometer wide asteroid is heading straight for Earth. Boom! The moment it strikes, the force would be unimaginable. First, there's the explosion, brighter than the sun. The shockwave alone would flatten everything within hundreds of kilometers. The heat? So intense, it would ignite everything in sight, forests, cities, even entire continents. If it hit an ocean, tsunamis hundreds of meters high would travel across the globe, drowning entire coastal regions. But the real nightmare begins after the impact. The force would throw billions of tons of dust into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months, maybe even years. The planet would plunge into a nuclear winter. Crops would die, the temperature would drop, and civilization, as we know it, could collapse. So, if we saw an asteroid coming, could we stop it? The answer is maybe. NASA has already tested asteroid deflection with the DART mission. In 2022, they crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid just to see if they could change its path. And guess what? It worked.
In case there was an asteroid coming towards Earth, you're there and you can actually stop it.
So it's crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid.
What? You think science fiction?
Other ideas include using kinetic impactors, essentially slamming a spaceship into an asteroid at high speed to knock it off course. There's also nuclear deflection, detonating a bomb near an asteroid to push it away, without blowing it into dangerous fragments. But what if an asteroid was already too close? Then what? Scientists are constantly watching the skies. Telescopes, satellites, and space agencies track thousands of asteroids to make sure none are heading our way. Right now, no asteroid poses a direct threat. But what if that changes? If a smaller asteroid were on course for Earth, we'd likely evacuate the impact zone and prepare for disaster. For larger threats, we'd need to act fast, either deflecting the asteroid or bracing for impact. Asteroids have hit Earth before, and they will hit again. The question is, will we be ready? That's why space agencies are preparing for the future, tracking every possible threat before it's too late. What do you think? Could we stop an asteroid in time? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more space and science videos.